Good morning. In this lesson, I would like to write Invitation to English 3, Chapter 1, Writing a Paragraph. This is the activity 6. The question is, we wear clothes for various reasons. We wear clothes for various reasons. So, why we wear clothes? I would like to write here. The question is that there are some following topic sentences in paragraphs. Write in your own words. So, we wear clothes for various reasons. Clothes are interpreted. Clothes are interpreted the personality of a person. Clothes are interpreted the personality of a person. We wear clothes we wear clothes for various reasons. Clothes protect us from the hot. Clothes protect us from the hot. Reach in summer. The rain in rainy season. The rain in rainy season and cold in water It saves us from sigh and helps. It saves us from sigh and helps to cover our body. Clothes add beauty to our body. So topic is the we wear clothes for various reasons. Why we wear clothes? आमे कहीं की कपड़ा पिंधु. Clothes are interpreted the personality of a person. We can say that clothing become a symbol of status and personality. So clothes are interpreted the personality of a person. आमको ड्रेस बा कपड़ा आमर गोटे व्यक्तिर व्यक्तित्व को परिप्रकाश करे. वी वेयर क्लथेस फॉर वेरियस रीजन्स. आमे कपड़ा पिंधु ड्रेस पिंधु विभिन्न कारण पाई पिंधु. क्लथेस प्रोटेक्ट अस फ्रॉम द हॉट रेज इन समर. आमे सूर्य किरण रु मुक्ति पाइबा पाई आमे कपड़ा पिंधु. द रेन इन रेनी सीजन. आमे रेनी सीजन रे वर्षा ऋतु रे रेनीकोट पिंधु. वर्षा केमिति न भिजिबा सेथि पय आमे रेनी सीजन रे रेनीकोट पिंधुछु. एंड कोल्ड इन वाटर and cold in winter. This is cold in winter. WINTER. And cold in winter. आमे winter शीत ऋतु रे ठंडार रक्षा पाइबा पाई आमे स्वेटर पिंधुछु. So clothes we use or wear in different regions. It saves us from sun and helps to cover our body. आमे हमर लज्जा निवारण करूछु एवं हमर बॉडी को शरीर को सौंदर्य भी करूछु. Clothes add beauty to our body. आमे जेतेले कपड़ा पिन्छु हमर शरीर सौंदर्य अधिक बढ़ी जाउछि. So this is a course of writing a paragraph of Invitation to English 3 chapter 1. Thank you.